Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, unlock the Samsung and confirm battery is above 20% so the animation won't be interrupted. Make sure you already have the live file saved, like an MP4 or GIF, or choose Samsung's live wallpapers. Once done, long press the home screen or open settings and tap wallpaper and style. This takes you straight to selection. You do this to avoid navigation detours. Fewer taps mean less chance of choosing static by mistake. Next, pick Wallpapers to proceed to available live options. Now you focus on the core steps. Select the Live Wallpapers tab or choose My Wallpapers to import your MP4 or GIF. You should preview the animation to check timing and scale. Use pinch to zoom or drag to reposition so key content isn't cropped. Make sure to toggle motion settings. Subtle motion saves battery, full motion looks richer. After adjustments, tap Apply, then choose whether it appears on home, lock, or both screens. This ensures the final look matches how you use the phone. Finish by confirming the wallpaper is active. Exit settings and return to the home and lock screens to inspect animation and performance. If you notice battery drain or lag, make sure to switch to reduced motion or use a shorter, lower resolution clip. This balances appearance and efficiency. If the live wallpaper fails to apply or preview freezes, restart the phone, and, if needed, clear the wallpaper app cache in Settings right arrow apps. That single troubleshooting step often resolves permission or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.